Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, my name's Cameron. You probably like, who the fuck is this bitch? One of his best friends. Don't come at me, Caitlin.
And tonight we're just gonna do our makeup real quick. We're gonna show you before she goes out on her date. We're gonna show you how we got this look. I hope you enjoy the video. Bye.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, this is weird.
Oh my god, hi!
Today Cameron's gonna do her makeup and I'm going to eat my Taco Bell.
That I got him because he was hella hungry.
Every time I film, the dogs bark every single time.
I have to get ready for this date. I never met him before, so. We're gonna just slap some Clinique moisturizing gel because I'm an oldie bitch.
Have you already ate?
No! You have food ready. Just chowing down on the.
I'm so hungry!
Charles made me a burger at work.
How was it?
I worked with the new guy, Greg, and let me tell you, homeboy's character. I think he's 19, just graduated high school, you know.
Does he talk
very
to you?
sheltered. You know how I am. I like warm people up and I'm like, tell everything about yourself to me.
When I called him, he didn't even say any words. He just said yes and no.
Wait, what do you mean?
I had to call him for his interview.
Wait, you had to call him for an interview? He didn't just walk in there and be like, hey, are y'all hiring? And then Scott's like,
no, Scott texted me. He gave me a phone number. And he said, call this phone number and tell him to show up. I said, well, what's the boy's name?
Well, I am a oldie bitch, so everything I use is mattifying as fuck. So
we are
using
opposite.
this, you know, a bitch has like very big pores, so using this as well.
Literally, like, there's no shit in here. So my foundation's literally a concealer, like two concealers.
Here's how we do this. We just go.
A perfect shade match. Always.
Really? I feel like I look like an orange Oompa Loompa sometimes, because
no, it
you
literally
not
matches.
see this right now?
I feel like I'm going to have Taco Bell in my pores. Watch this, look. It's the Instagram oil.
Ooh! And then this is white. It's so
Oh my god!
I use this every
Is that what you do?
Yes!
Oh my
and I
God.
blend everything together.
It's so weird seeing someone else's routine. Sometimes I take this and I do this. Oh, it broke.
You know? So I never wet my beauty blender. I just literally soak it with this.
It's so crazy how we have opposite skin.
I know, because I'm just like, I want to try yours, but my skin's gonna be like, what the fuck? So the date is gonna be at our jobs.
It's at 3 Nelsons?
Yes, it's at 3 Nelsons.
Oh my god!
Well, I didn't want to take them to my other job. I have 2 jobs. You know, that boy be there.
Oh
We're gonna talk about that in another video. I really should start a YouTube channel. Like, I really think I would do well with it. Oh my god, we're actually beauty gurus. Like, oh my god.
Light for me right now. Anastasia Beverly Hills.
Ooh, fancy shit. Wow, I'm over here. Oh. See, look, I'm using a cream. So, oh yeah, I'm using this. This shit.
This shit.
Tarteist Pro Grow, right? By Tarte.
Oh.
I got it from FabFitFun. Sponsor me.
I need a wet beauty blender.
Do you want to soak it in this? Like, so many people ask me like, oh my god, like, how do you do your makeup so well at like my other job? And I'm like, I don't even know. Literally, I'm just like, I slap shit off on my face and just hope for the best. Like,
I feel that 100%. I feel like I still haven't been able to achieve a good, successful look on camera. Like, everything's just mediocre.
I think it's good.
And it's...
Can I borrow a brush?
Go for it. This is the one I just got that I've been using for that.
For that? I watch your videos and you're just doing it under the eye. I'm like, bitch.
You do your whole face.
I do my whole
Oh my god, I
fucking...
forgot.
Ooh, this feels nice.
Don't it?
Ooh, it feels
it's
like
$40. $40 for that.
$40? Bitch, you got me fucked up. I can see why. This shit good.
Want to see what's crazy that I do to cover up my bald spots?
You like blend it all up?
Oh girl, I paint that shit.
Yeah, paint it. We really out here doing the most. Okay. Okay. I just want to get these cheekbones more defined. Because you know.
Yes, sis. I love that. Is that your first time using that?
Yes.
Smell it.
Ooh, it smells like sunscreen. It smells like my favorite alcoholic liquor, Malibu. I'm about to be 22. You know, I'm living, being a 22-year-old.
I forget that you're like 5 years younger than me, 4 years younger than
And
me.
we get along so well.
I know.
Do you not see this? Look at this. Like,
We gotta cover up these extraction marks.
oh my goodness. His name is John. We met each other how many years ago?
Like 6.
6 years.
Yeah.
Oh my god, 6 years
I know.
ago.
I think. You ready for the magic?
Yes. Ooh.
What step are you on?
Eyes now.
You already did your highlighter?
Yeah. Like, you don't see it shining like.
Yes.
Hey, let me do that hair thing. I'm using this, the Too Faced Sweet Peach, because I'm wearing green and like.
I put on way too much highlighter.
It's okay. It's never too much highlighter.
You're so right.
It smells like peaches smelling.
You just made my dreams come true.
Weird fun fact. Don't come at me.
Beach.
But the eyeshadow tastes good too. What happened was one of my friends was doing my makeup and she accidentally like got it on her finger and she like did this. Very unsanitary, but like, you know, when you're with your best friend, you know, fucking do me like a freaking baby. Like, you trying to help me out, try to get something off your face. That's basically what she did. And she tasted, she was like, what the fuck? And I was like, what? And she was like, this stuff tastes like sweet cupcake.
Which one?
All of them. Like, see?
Oh my
It's
god!
so sweet. Do not eat.
Is
makeup.
it vegan?
I
Oh, there we go. Look, okay, I bought this from Dollar General.
Aw, it's so cute.
And I only bought one, and they were on clearance, and it fits
Yeah.
perfect for this. But also fits perfect for this. So I need another one, and I went back, and they're sold out.
We need to do a vlog where we go get our nose pierced.
Okay.
I used to have my nose pierced and my septum pierced until my ex made me take it out, basically.
Did he?
He made me feel so guilty for having it. He's like, it's ugly.
I didn't know
Like,
that.
he was just like, you look prettier without it.
Oh my
Like,
God.
and I'm just like, bitch, like, it's me though. That's part of my personality. What should I use for like right here? Like the lid. Bitch. Ooh. What is this? Is it
Or-
a finger or a brush?
Finger.
Ooh, it's so soft. Oh yeah, you just watched these yesterday. Oh my god. Oh shit. Okay, it's been a long
Let me
time.
see.
It's been a long time. Oh my god. Oh my god, why can't we just do this weekly now? I have so much fun doing this.
I know, and I love how you just kind of carry it. I don't have to work for the videos. Like, you do all the work for me. Can I tell you a secret?
What?
This is a steering wheel cover.
I have like a makeup wipe so I can wipe my finger.
Bitch, I'm out of makeup wipes.
Big.
Oh my god, look at your eyes. I love that.
I was like, I have to go back in this dark thing, like just subtle. Like, nothing too crazy, it's fine. And then he's gonna be like, whoa, that's a lot of makeup. And I'd be like, oh, if you can't handle me at this. Okay, we got 15 minutes
Oh
left.
my god.
It's okay though. It's okay. I feel like we're doing good on this.
Okay.
You know, Morphe used to do like a makeup brush set subscription.
Really?
Yes, and I loved it. I don't know if they still do it now, but I used to get that shit all the time. Like, it was so convenient and good, and like, I'm like, oh my god, it's like a gift to me.
You ready?
Bitch. Ooh.
Oh, my eyeball's
That's pretty. I always get scared using this kind of colors.
I know.
Okay. Oh my god, that could be a good collab, doing Halloween style makeup.
I know, I can't wait.
Bitch. We gonna do a video together.
My makeup's being weird tonight.
I feel like me too.
Do you see my forehead creases?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a problem.
Oh, someone is. Oh, it's Danny. Don't you just love how I added you and then Danny
I
just
know,
took you?
yeah.
That's the main reason why I added you to the group chat, because I'm like, Danny's gonna fucking love Kaden. It's gonna be a great time, and I live for it. You see, we're all besties here. Welcome home, bitch. Oh my god. Ooh, this mascara is live. What the fuck?
It really fucking is.
I love
It
this.
is cheap. It's drugstore. It's like $6.
I want to get into falsies really bad.
I love them.
I want to
You
get
wanna wear
into
some
wigs.
tonight?
Girl. I'm gonna be like, hold on for a second.
And cause. Hush!
No, wait, let when this happens. Look.
Oh shit.
It's okay. I'm gonna let it dry.
Yeah, let it
and
dry.
then I'm gonna
Yeah,
go.
yeah. This is $22 eyeliner, BTW.
Ooh.
Shit does
is it
not
brown?
come off. Yes.
Ooh, that's pretty.
You have to be really brave. Oh shit.
Oh my god, my mom's like, do not be drinking and driving home. Homegirl, we're going to an ice cream shop.
Hello, Mac? What the fuck are you doing to my eye right now? It's like goopy.
Like,
Ooh, shit. Ooh.
you can fix it. Okay. Okay. Oh no.
Where's it gonna go for?
See, this is why I don't fuck with eyeliner.
I know, I should have just left it alone.
Or wait,
Put it
I like
down.
those eyeliners that are super like dry. Like they dry fast. So I don't have that issue.
Yes. What time is it?
It is 6:51.
Oh my god, it's time to wrap it up.
It's okay.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm doing the 5-minute challenge now because I'm fucking up.
No, I'm gonna ask him how far. But yeah, this is my final look. Nothing too crazy, just subtle. It's like I do so much with my makeup and I don't do shit with my hair. This is like kind of the main reason why I do want to go dark, because like with my dark hair, it's weird because with my dark hair, it can curl more, like not this shit. It has more like wave to it. Like I feel like my blonde is just like it's dead. Like it's not dead.
I like
it's,
the blonde.
it's natural.
Me with
Like
my brown
if
hair.
I braid my hair and like wanna do it like, you know, super kinky curl, like braid hair, my hair won't do it like this. But if it's black or brown, that shit looks so freaking pretty. He's 12 minutes away, so we're good.
You know what I usually use it for my bottom lash?
Oh, Dad?
This.
Ooh, that would be so good to use
Yes.
because it's like so
Slim.
tiny and like it just gets everything, if you know what I mean.
Okay, well I think I'm done too. I'm not gonna put on lashes. Oh my god, this is terrible. Good thing it looks okay from far away. Really not good at all.
We're just
this is
we're
terrible.
just gonna act like it's okay though. But yeah, it like makes it like super curly, and then when it's like this, it's like like that's just me. Ooh, just slap on some lashes, then you'll be good.
That didn't help.
What was I saying?
It did not help.
I think it does. It makes you notice the eyelashes more than the eyeliner.
Yeah.
See,
Whatever.
I could not wear those lashes on this day. He's gonna be like, where your
I have
eyes
better
at?
ones. They're
Ooh.
thicky. Those are thick.
Thickies. They're thickies with 2 C's. Ooh. Ooh, I like that.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video this week. I had fun with Cameron. I can't wait till next time, honestly.
Me too.
Good night.
Like and subscribe his videos because he's like a dime piece and I love him and
A dime.
he deserves it
I'm a
so
snack.
much. Yes, a snack, a total
Snack.
fucking Snicker bar snack. Maybe we're not gonna be everywhere like we are in this video.
Boom, gloss.
But I kind of like it. I kind of like being everywhere. Like you
Yeah,
just don't
it-
know where you're
yeah,
gonna
and
go.
when you edit, it just all makes sense.
Leave a comment down below if you think I should do a YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram at Kameron Marylee, KameronMaryllee. Okay. Bye guys.
Oh, bye, bye, good night, bye.
Hello, your call cannot be taken at the moment, so please leave your message after the tone.